Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from my kitchen. I can't stress enough how much I love chutneys with my meal. And if you're also like me, then you're at the right place. Nothing can beat the divine combination of a chutney with hot steamed rice and a dollop of ghee. Do you agree with me? Yes, right? With minimal ingredients, you can create such amazing chutneys. This is one of those quick chutney recipes that comes together in no time and can jazz up any boring meal. So let's get started. Let's take a look at the ingredients required. You will need few raw tomatoes or green tomatoes. Try to use the country tomatoes which are tangy. And for green chilies, I am using two kinds of green chilies. The thick ones that are not spicy but impart a very good texture and flavor to the chutney, and the regular chilies that are very spicy. You can also use just the spicy variety if you really like your chutney to be very spicy, but you can always adjust the quantity to suit your spice levels. You'll also need a few garlic pods, a little tamarind, some cumin seeds, and salt to taste. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Make slits like a plus on each raw whole tomato, so you can see how I'm making the slits in the video, and now place them in the pan. By the way, you can also roast them directly on a flame. It lends a unique smoky flavor to the chutney. Cover with a lid and let it roast on low-medium heat. After a few minutes, flip the tomatoes to the other side and roast evenly on both sides. Remove from the pan and leave them aside to cool down. In the same pan, add some more oil if needed and add in the green chilies, garlic pods and the tamarind paste. Saute for about 2 minutes. Turn off the heat and transfer to a plate. They should become like how you see them in the video. Leave them aside to cool down. In a mixer jar, add in some cumin seeds and the roasted green chili, garlic and tamarind mixture and some salt. Grind to a coarse paste. Now add in the roasted whole tomatoes and pulse it a couple of times by holding the pulse button. You don't want to make it like a very fine paste, but the chutney should still be coarse. So you should be able to feel the chunks of green chilies and tomatoes in between. You can serve this chutney as it is or optionally add a tempering to it. Transfer to a bowl. For the tempering or tadka, heat oil in a small pan over medium heat. Add a few garlic pods, some mustard seeds, cumin seeds and dry red chilies. When the mustard seeds begin to pop up, add in some asafoetida and a few curry leaves. Turn off the heat and transfer the tadka to the chutney and mix well. You can serve the chutney with rice and a dollop of ghee. It also pairs very well with idli, dosa or even rotis. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and share it with your family and friends. If you're here for the first time, please do subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. You can also follow me on other social media platforms. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's me Padma signing off.